first test with the lowered. All right, we got another little test right here. Let's see if we scrape this. All right, I actually have a good little test here, guys. This street right here has a lot of little dips. So we're gonna be able to see how it does. Damn near looking like I'm on bags over here. What's up? What up, man? Got the RSX in front of me too. Damn. Surrounded by JDM right now. I'm gonna bring a JDM to the channel eventually. We'll see when, but you know it's coming. Wait on it. But yeah, man, I was just rolling around right now, and I was passing through this neighborhood, and a bunch of little kids were like, "Hey, it's Louie," and I was taking my mom to go get her car somewhere, and all the kids were like, "Hey, it's Louie." And I was like, what the heck? And my mom's like, who are they? And I was like, fuck, I don't even know. Just a bunch of little kids. That was funny, bro. That's crazy. Appreciate the love, man. I don't know who that was. Waved at me. Bernie supporter. But yeah, man, I'm just out here riding around, just testing out the car a little more. And I ain't gonna lie, it does have a little more bounce in it. There's a little more play than there was before. But other than that, I mean, it drives pretty much the same. Feels good. You know, not really ain't any complaints. It's not like too bouncy, but it's just a noticeable difference. And it did settle a little more. I'll show you guys right now when I get out of the whip. Damn, look at this guy going crazy on the bike. I'll show you guys right now though once I get out. It did settle a little more, and it is pretty low, I ain't gonna lie. Damn near looking like I'm on bags over here.
Hey, it's Louie.
What's up? What up, man?
How you doing?
Good, bro. How are you?
Good, chilling, bro.
That's right.
What are you up to?
Just recording a little video, you know.
What is that? What is it?
How's it going, brother?
Bro, how you doing?
Chilling.
Chilling, bro.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
Yes, you too, man. You want to shout anything out? I'm recording a video right now.
What's happening, brother? It's Rico.
That's right.
What they do?
There it
Who
is.
is Louie? Shout out to Louie. Shout out to Rico. Shout out to the fam bam.
That's right, bro.
Good.
You got IG or anything?
IG Rico. Rico.
There it
No,
is,
I don't
brother.
have.
Have a good one, bro. Thank you.
Take it easy.
That's crazy. What the heck? I was just talking about how those little kids were like, hey, it's Louie. That's dope, man. That's a good feeling, bro, when you do stuff and people actually like it. And it's funny, I caught him while I'm recording. Alright, but let's get out and check out how this looks, man. How much it actually settled. As you can see, it did settle a little more. It's pretty low. Actually, I think it's perfect though, to be quite honest with you. I think it's perfect. Add a little wider tire, a little more meat on there. Maybe add a spacer. That thing looks too good. I'm happy with it. I'm pretty sure, oh, you guys see it? The Infinity. It's at the Q. That was the Q50 or the Q60, one of those. But yeah, it's crazy how my boy Rico, man, I'm pretty sure I've never met him before. If I have, I'm sorry. I got bad memory, but pretty sure I've never met him, you know. And in the same day, some little kids said the same thing. They're like, hey, that's Louie. And it's crazy, you know, people you don't even know, they see your videos. It's cool that like people in my city are seeing them, you know. Oh, you guys see the pink caddy? What you know about that? It's like a purplish pink. But yeah, I just thought that was pretty cool. I see it. Got me feeling a little brand new. I might just put the shades on after that, bro, you know? Start rocking the shades now. You know I got them just in case, man. Just in case I'm feeling a little extra, I got the shades with me, man. Nah, that's cool though, man. I appreciate all the love, I really do. I say it all the time, how much I appreciate it and how grateful I am. And I really, truly do mean it, man. It means a lot. Must be a cop somewhere around here. But yeah, I was rolling around. Oh yeah, there he is. You guys see it? If you need a radar detector, there it is. Escort Max 360. I got the link in the bio. I got the link in the description if you guys want to go check it out. I would have fucking sped up right there big time too. Even though I would have seen him on the side of the road because I always keep my eyes peeled. But yeah, like I was saying, I was riding around right now with the suspension in sport mode. And it was a little bouncy, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like all crazy, but a little more bouncy than what I'm used to. And right now I put it in track because yesterday I had it in track when I was driving it around, and you know, it seemed pretty much the same. And right now it's way less bouncy with it in track. Street is where I felt more of the difference when it comes to the lowering springs. It is a little more, you know, a little more bouncy. Nothing crazy, you know, it's not like bad or anything. But it is like a noticeable difference in street mode. Sport feels pretty good too, actually. I just hit that little bump right there and it wasn't too bouncy. Yeah, sport and track seem to feel exactly the same. And street is a little more bouncy, but the good thing about it is I don't really drive in street that much. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good. Aside from that, it's pretty much the same. I haven't dealt with any issues like, you know, with steep driveways or anything like that yet. Ooh, first test with the lowering springs. Did good, bro. Oh, second test. All right, we got another little test right here. Let's see if we scrape this. Ooh, nope, we're good. I'm being extra careful with it. Hey, we made that. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna scrape in the middle. That thing comes up pretty tough. But as far as like the ride and the drivability of it, it seems pretty good to me. You know, no complaints on my end. Like I was telling you guys right now, track and sport feel pretty much the same, and street is a little more bouncy, but nothing to complain about. And as far as the handling goes, it might be even better, to be honest with you. It's a little lower to the ground. The arrow's obviously better, lower to the ground. And it actually felt pretty damn good yesterday, I ain't gonna lie. Even with my bald tires up front, I was not doing bad, bro. But okay, sport is a little more bouncy than it was before. I felt right there, but not crazy. And it's not even like in a bad way bouncy. The street is the most. Is that Rego? Fucking Rego. Oh shit, there's that Z06 Adrian, all out cruising, that's right. But yeah, it's not even in a bad way. It actually feels like just more sporty, to be honest with you. And that's what these are, the sport springs. I saw a couple bad reviews on them, people saying that it's too low and that they don't make different springs, H&R that is, for, you know, the RT and the SCATPACK and the Hellcat. It's just all the same part number. And I don't know if that's a bad thing or not. They seem all right to me. You know, if they fit, if it's all the same springs, I don't see why you would have to change them. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if Hellcat SCATPAK and RT have different springs or not. They probably do. I would assume they do. But I mean, maybe it's just upgrading the RT to better springs. You know, I don't know. But they feel good to me. You know, I have no complaints. People were saying that it's too low and that iBox are a little higher. But I think for me personally, you guys seen it, I think it's honestly a perfect fit. There's pretty much no gap. I mean, there's a little bit of a gap, but it's a perfect amount. You know, I didn't want it slammed, but I didn't want it to be like too much of a gap either, you know? So honestly, in my opinion, it's the perfect amount. Everyone has different opinions, different likes, different tastes. The best price that I was able to find was through Redline 360. They also have quite a few other things that you guys could pick up. So, you know, go check them out. Link is in the description. They don't just carry Dodge. They carry every single make and model pretty much. You know what I'm saying? So go check them out. Got a lot of good stuff. Very good pricing. I'm gonna be messing with them a lot. I'll tell you that much. All right, I actually have a good little test here, guys. This street right here has a lot of little dips. So we're gonna be able to see how it does.
Several months later.
Damn, bruh. Must be too low to register this goddamn light. Shit is taking forever, man. Serious right now? Been here mad long before those other people. Damn. Speaking of low life, you heard that dude barely made that. Big low. Let's see how it goes. We got plenty more of those coming up. Ooh. Okay, no squeaking. It was just the plastic, you know, the little plastic that hangs down by the wheel. Pretty positive that's what that was. I'm gonna come back down this same road right now too. And I'm gonna throw it in street mode. Okay. A little scrapage. And I'm not like trying to do anything extra, and it's barely scraping, so you guys hear it? It's barely scraping, and it's not even the bumper, it's that little plastic that hangs down. You guys know what I'm talking about if you have chargers. Obviously can't go flying through here, but it's not that bad, dude. You know, you don't have to really do too much extra. And these are, you know, pretty good little dips. Just lower the speed a little. Here's a good one. But if I were to come flying through here like I did before, oh no, not possible. I would definitely ruin the whole front of my car, without a doubt. Yeah, hey, but it's good though. I can't lie, it doesn't feel bad. You know, only real ones can relate to doing something like that, you know what I'm saying? We make our own. I can't lie though, it doesn't feel too bad. Let's put it in street. Now we got the suspension in street, see how it feels. It's not bad. A little bit. Oh yeah. Much more bumpy. I feel a lot more with it in street. Yeah, for sure. Let's try sport mode. I mean, it's not bad, like I said. It's just like you feel it a lot more like wobbly. You can feel the springs. It's not really a bad thing. Hey, how much you selling them for? How much? $20.
$20.
Oh, I don't have enough, dude. All right, have a good one. I was gonna buy some off him. I ain't got enough money, man. Should've just gave him $5. I always like to support people like that. I should've just gave him $5. There was a car behind me. I didn't want to like take too long. But yeah, man, it feels good, man. I can't lie to you guys. Sport's not that different from how it was stock, and track is like pretty much right there with it. Street, you could tell the difference because it softens up the suspension, so you feel a lot more of those shocks. Yeah, definitely have to do a little extra though with those bumps, but it doesn't feel bad. Damn, all over Nate. See him with the lowered round, they're looking at me all crazy too. There you guys have it. That's my review on it. I like them. I like them a lot. I can't complain. It feels nice. I see you with the Challenger. What up, buddy? Alrighty. Don't even stop. Just keep going. Okay, I see you. Oh, they took off though. Yeah, I like them a lot, guys. I like them a lot. I seen a couple negative reviews after I had installed them on YouTube, like people just saying that they're too low and all these issues they're having with them or whatever, just because they're too low. I guess they showed a bunch of scrapes on the bottom of the car. Honestly, that's probably just from somebody not knowing how to drive, you know what I'm saying? You can't be fucking going full speed into a dip, you know what I'm saying, with these. It's not like the drivability is horrible. It's a little different, but it feels all right to me. I can't complain. So that's pretty much what it is, guys. Appreciate you guys as always, man. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Appreciate you guys greatly. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. Salute.